Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook cover in Canva. So log into a Canva account and from create a design choose Facebook cover. Here it is. Okay, you can upload some photo or use Canva, free Canva photos, and let's say that you are interior designer or maybe real estate agent, so we will use one of these interior photos. Okay, let's use this one for example. Scale it. Okay, now go to elements again and from lines and shapes choose this square shape. Change its size and position, center, middle. By clicking here we can change the color, so let's use white color and add some transparency here, maybe about 70%. Okay, so this is the area where we will place your logo. To upload your logo, go to Uploads, Upload Media and choose the file from your computer. I have my logo uploaded here, but I won't use this one because it is circle shaped, so it might be better to use this one. This is real estate agent logo from my Etsy shop. This one, okay. Let's scale it and place it in the middle. Okay, now we have our Facebook cover. Go to download, PNG type file, download, and now you can upload it to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.